Opening an account at Cornerstone Bank has never been easier. Using your computer or mobile device, you can access the application right from our website. Go to cornerstonebank.com and click Open an Account in the upper right corner. Review our account options and select the one that works for you. Click Apply Now and let's get started. Enter your first and last name, email address, and mobile phone number, and click Continue. You will receive an email with a passcode. Enter the code to verify your email address. On the next screen, enter your primary address, as well as your mailing address if needed. Next is the ID verification. Enter the information requested and click Continue. The last step is to fund the account. There are 3 options. You can log into your existing bank account and make an online transfer, enter your account number and bank routing number to make a deposit, or fund the account with your debit card. Here, we select the recommended option, connecting to your existing bank account. This uses a secure platform called Plaid. Search and select your bank. Then, click Continue to log in to access your online banking. Once you've signed in, your bank may send a one-time passcode to verify your identity. After entering the code, select the account you want to use for funding and click Continue. On the next screen, review and confirm the information for the account you will connect. Confirming will return you to the Cornerstone Bank site to complete your connection. Once the connected account is selected and saved, enter an amount for your opening deposit. The minimum deposit amount is noted. Click Continue and review your new account information, personal information, and legal agreements. You can review the e-sign disclosure right in this window. Disclosures are also sent in an email once the account has been approved. The final step is to certify the background information presented by clicking Agree and Submit. This activates the verification and submission process. Once complete, typically within seconds, your application is approved, and your new Cornerstone Bank account is ready to use.